So today I'm actually trying to fish to catch fish for a friend of mine. So we've been friends actually since like grade school pretty much. He lives back in Chicago and doesn't have access to awesome fresh fish like this. So my plan is to hopefully catch a couple fish for him and basically freeze them and send them back. So today I'm going to be mooching. I'll be mooching and trolling a little bit probably. I'm mainly mooching because it's kind of windy, as you can probably hear. And with the wind it makes trolling a little bit more difficult in the kayak, especially because you have to kind of cope with the waves and that kind of thing. So yeah, let's see what I can actually bring out mooching. This is only the third time I've ever attempted mooching. One was on a charter boat. I tried it one more time in a kayak and had no luck, and then today I'm going to just try it again. Basically, you know, again, because the wind is a little bit on the bad side today. So hand line out the first 30 feet, keeping an eye out for boats. There's 30, and then every 3 feet on the way down. And what I'm looking for is a stop in the line. Fish out. Fish up? Is it? Yeah, something whacked it. Yeah, something whacked it. And for once I didn't tangle. Things just keep getting better. Yeah, maybe I've got to watch out for that. That's okay. Fish on, feeling like a salmon. Guys. Looking like a decent coho. I'll let it go. All right, on again. Not feeling monstrous, but I'm thinking it's a salmon. Yeah, no, it might be dogfish. What is it? Feels a little heavy to be a dogfish, but I don't know. Let's see. Head shakes, kind of strong. Salmon? I think it's a tank. Should I release it? You know what? I'm gonna release it. They're pretty fish. Not that big. Yeah, I'm gonna release it. Cool, the technique's working though. Two different species now. I got a Coho and a pink. I'm gonna go for just a little bit longer. Well, not really the waves. It's just windy. You can see it's not like crazy. I mean, you get some big waves, but I'm not even bouncing really. I'll give it a few more minutes. Fish are sort of biting. Why not? I have 3 herring left. Yeah, a couple more minutes. Conditions for fishing, I'll say that. But I'm getting it done. I think I caught 5 today. 2 pinks, 3 coho. Oh, and then 2 more shakers. Oh, but one of the salmon were pretty small. Probably the biggest danger is actually that you're less visible. So as I go into these gullies between waves, I'm sure that my boat completely disappears. But that's part of the reason that I'm kind of hanging out with the sail borders. So with the sail borders there, I think everyone knows to slow down a little bit. And because of that, I really don't feel that great of a risk of getting hit by a boat. Feels like a salmon for sure. That's a coho. Wow, that's a big coho. That's cool. Triple checking it. Yeah, big white gums. White gums. We got a big coho. Yeah, this is maybe a 5 or 6 pound fish. Great. Mooching. I've never, well actually this is my 3rd time mooching. Once in a boat, once in a kayak, and then this is the 2nd time in a kayak. Wow, good fish. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for today. As you can probably hear, the wind is getting pretty bad. So I'm just going to get this fish home, get it processed, and actually ship it out to my friend.